Hey everybody, so we are at Big Lagoon State Park here just outside of Pensacola, almost to the Alabama state line, but not quite yet. We are here in Pensacola today because we are going to visit Pensacola Christian College, which is where Amy went to college, her alma mater, and we are going to take the kids there so they can see it and reminisce, and some of them have some interest in attending there, so we'll see how that goes. But we're going to visit the campus today and just sightsee around the Pensacola area a little bit. We're here very short, we're not going to be here long. Tomorrow we head out to Alabama, but we're going to make the best of our day here in Pensacola, so better get going. There's PCC. Yeah, look at this. How cool.
Tower. That's a guy's dorm right there. This is.
We're gonna do a tour.
The girls get the biggest one. The boys.
That's so cool. That looks like an observatory or something up there.
I haven't seen that. 1 second. Oh, Four Winds. They were building that when I was leaving, I believe. Yeah, they were building that. Varsity Commons is where we ate. Dale Horton Auditorium. Spent a lot of time there. Wow. That used to be church. I think they switched it to a different building. I think they have like a big Bradley. That was my dorm.
Aww.
Yep. I was in Bradley, and I was also in Dixon later, which was a sad thing for me. Actually Griffith. Sorry, not Dixon. I was demoted. Oh, there's the Varsity Commons right there. That's where we ate. Oh, all looks the same. Holy cow. Campanile. That's Campanile right there. Like we would all meet at the Campanile, that bell tower. There's Bradley right ahead.
Wait.
That's where I got socialed. Dale dropped me off, but he didn't pull all the way around, and I sat in his car for a few minutes. What, honey? Really badly, so I was on crutches for a full semester.
Aw, Amy's so excited to be back. There's her old dorm, Griffith. Oh, we've got to see it. We're gonna walk around and tour.
Watch, Pen, don't Hey, guys, I have to go to the bathroom. I can't even grass.
Oh man. Way to make an entrance, Kate. Oh man.
How are you going to influence your world for Christ? This is a place where you can be empowered to fulfill God's calling and pursue your passion.
Up in August, I studied marketing as my undergrad degree, got my bachelor's in marketing, and now I'm studying my master's. There's the PCC restaurant called The Grill. So these are really nice additions to be able to have some other things. And let's see what the hours are here. Oh, that's great. So that's Bradley Tower on the right. Then we're gonna come up on Dixon Tower, another girls' tower. And then straight ahead is Griffith Tower, another girls' tower. So Griffith is the oldest girls' tower, but it actually just got remodeled, so now it's kind of like the newest girls' tower. It looks great in there. They redid everything, and so that was really cool. Oh yeah, it really did. And then we're gonna pass the Visual and Performing Arts Center. This building is where you'll have music classes, theater classes, graphic design and drawing, and any art classes like that. And so that is the VPA, the visual. And well, then God continued to bless PCC, and then they outgrew that one. So straight ahead is the campus church. So that is where they now have church. And so they go from 3,400 seats to now almost 6,000 seats at the campus church.
Oh, look at that. Huh?
The balcony's up, so we can actually walk towards here and we can look back.
Oh, it's pretty neat looking.
This place is...
worship session. I don't know.
It's cool.
That was fun. I wasn't really.
I want one of those.
That's cool.
Family comes in town, it's $5 for the
Wow.
day, and that includes everything in here.
Yeah, look at that bowling alley.
The ice skating rink on the right, on the left, the bowling. They have the little putt-putt course.
Was this here when you were here, Ann?
Oh yeah. Well, yeah, some of it. I mean, the
Yeah,
ice
so
skating
this-
is here, and
This
Wow.
half, that hallway there, that's like a living shop. And,
Oh, that's cool.
so this
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look, they have a Gaga ball pit. The thing on the cruise. Yeah, that's where you pretend to surf.
It's like that Duke Perfect thing where they did it with Bethany Hamilton.
Yeah.
So they shoot water out of that thing, and it's actually set at 50,000 gallons a minute.
Wow.
So, like a ton of water goes through there really fast, constantly, and they have 3 slides, and that big old top, that big old.
have you been?
I have. I actually made it. So this one on the very edge with that blue circle at the top. That's a fairly easy one, and but man, it's pretty scary. Yeah.
Oh, look at the floor.
The thing is, like, what makes it harder is there'll be less grips for your hands.
Why would she do guitar? She was hilarious. She was always looking for a laugh. Yeah,
Who does
she-
that?
but it kills the scene
I
in a
know,
weird
right?
way. Yeah, it is cool.
Did you say it was your last year that you got your book? I mean, did you say your last year was the only year you got a yearbook?
You're bowling.
I'm bowling.
I got into a student life photo.
Come on.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.